Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Click down to long range weather forecast discussion for the November 31st, for October 31st through November 12th. The period for October 31st to the 4th, November 4th, starts off fairly amplified. We have strong posite anomalies near Alaska, southern Greenland, and the North Atlantic. And we also have a ridge here near the Aleutians. And we have a broad, deep trough here across the east central states. That's how the pattern starts out. And we go through the period. And we see little change in the overall circulation. The pattern supports Arctic air to sink into the northern Rockies and northern plains. Rain, snow are forecast across that region by next weekend. Temperatures may be near 20 degrees below normal, and showers are forecast for the middle and lower Mississippi Valley, the Ohio Valley, and to the East Coast. For November 3rd to the 7th, here we are at the 4th. The posite anomalies over Alaska and posite anomalies over Alaska and negative height anomalies over the Central Pacific will result in a trough in the northwest with a zonal flow, slightly cyclonic flow in the east. The posite anomalies near Greenland will lower, and I'll show you that as we go through the period. You start seeing this area of posite anomalies kind of slide to the east, gets taken by the negative height anomalies, zonal flow here, and we'll see a trough starting to develop across this area here. And here's our strong posite anomalies over Alaska. So we go through the period and we come to the 7th. Now you see the pattern is pretty much set. Trough here, strong posite anomalies here, zonal flow. Our posite anomalies here move east, and now we have negative height anomalies here. And the models are good agreement on this. So during this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more below normal, and we have above normal temperatures forecast for this area here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees for precipitation. I'm forecasting above normal precipitation here, and for this region, below normal precipitation is forecast for the southeast. November 8th to the 12th. Here we are at the 8th. We still have little change in circulation. Still have positive height anomalies here, negative height anomalies across this area, zonal flow with above normal heights in the east. And the models are in good agreement with this as we go through the period. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting still little change in the temperature profiles, but still forecasting below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more below normal, forecasting above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal for precipitation. I'm calling for above normal precipitation here. And we have below normal precipitation forecast for the southeast and the coastal mid-Atlantic states. Now, another thing I'm going to talk about is the pending storm that we have for this weekend along the East Coast. We're going to look at the GFS. Let me see, I'm on the wrong thing. We're going to look at the GFS. And we can see here's that tropical depression or tropical storm that develops. This is, like I said, this is the GFS. Here's the frontal boundary here. And I'm going to go through each day, or each several hours. And you can see that it spawns another system here along the mid-Atlantic coast. And this system is forecast to move northwestward inland. Now, as of now, the National Hurricane Center is saying that the strongest winds will probably be across eastern Long Island and parts of southern New England, coastal New England, but any variation in that track could bring the stronger winds inland. Now, that's 42 hours of Sunday at 8 p.m. And then you see the track. This is 2 a.m. Monday morning. And then we get the backlash with this. This is early Monday morning. Still have precipitation occurring. Now we're getting the stronger winds on the backside. That's the GFS. Now we're going to look at the European. Here's the system down here. Here's the frontal boundary. And here's the storm that develops along the coast or over the mid-Atlantic. And they all in pretty much agreement moving it west-northwestward. But like I said, right now there's numerous high wind watches and so forth in effect. And they're forecasting in the advisory areas to be gusts up to 55 miles per hour late Sunday night into Monday. So that's it for now. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for October 31st through November 12th. Thanks for coming to Jim Mundy's World of Weather, and have a good day.